Metabuidl. This is the demonstration of useNear Telegram bot. useNear is a gateway to all things near. What is useNear? useNear is a Telegram bot using which one can access Near dApps. Simply connect your wallet to the Telegram bot and start using Near dApps without leaving Telegram. This is possible using full access keys. However, we can switch over to functional access keys as well. What are the supported commands? nft.storage. We can mint NFTs using nft.storage. We can transfer NFTs. We can get NFTs. Then we can also send near. We can get balance and we can also connect near wallet. We also have mint-based commands like set up mint-based groups, which basically lets you create a Telegram group for just minters of a Mintbase store. We can also have a command to get minters. We also have a command to get mints. That is the NFT that are minted on the Mintbase store. For the Sputnik DAO, right now the bot only has the near week Sputnik DAO that I have fired up on the testnet. We can add proposal to the near week DAO. We can also get proposal to the testnet near week DAO. Let's jump into the demo. Okay, now let's start with the demonstration. For me it is saying restart, but for you it will say start. So I'm just gonna go start. I'm just gonna retry. Okay, connect wallet. So let's connect the wallet. I have a wallet logged in into this phone, so now it's asking me to allow access. I'm going to click on allow access. Basically at this point it is asking for a full access key to the account. So as you can see, requesting full access. I'm going to allow. I'm just going to add my account here, confirm. And it says authorized below. I'm just going to go back to the bot, check the connection, enter my account ID again, and it's connected. So now let's try to get the balance, get near balance. You can see we have 187 near. Let's see if we can send near. I have an account where I will just send some near now. I'm gonna send one near now. Let's just wait for the transaction to process. As you can see, transaction is completed. Let's view it in the Explorer. As you can see, I have sent successfully one near. Okay, let's go back to the bot. Let's check our balance. You can see we have 186 near. Okay, now let's try minting an NFT. This is for the nft.storage bounty. I'm gonna type crypto fighter. The title of the NFT, give some description. Now I have this non-copyright image. I'm just gonna choose that. Go next. Okay, now uploading metadata to IPFS. Uploading the metadata to NFT using nft.storage to IPFS, and then we take that metadata and upload the image that was uploaded to IPFS and push it to the contract to mint the NFT. As you can see, the NFT is now minted. Let's go to Collectibles and see if we have the NFT in our wallet. Okay, as you can see, now we have the NFT in our wallet. So now let's jump back to the bot and see the metadata on IPFS. As you can see, the metadata is now available on IPFS. Let's try to see the media file on IPFS. As you can see, the image is also now available on IPFS. This way we have successfully minted an NFT using nft.storage, but from Telegram. Now let's try and add a proposal to a Sputnik DAO. This is for the Neo Week bounty. Let's try to add a proposal. I have a link to a tweet that I have made, which I'm going to use as a proposal. And I paste it here. I say blue emojis. I'm going to say DeFi. You can see it says that it's a duplicate proposal because I've already made this proposal before. So now I'm going to try adding this proposal again, and this time I'm just going to paste a random link. Let's say Google. I'm going to say Google again, and categories I'm going to select DAO. Okay, the proposal is now added and we can see it on Sputnik DAO. Let's see it on Sputnik DAO. As you can see, I have added the proposal for payout of 1 near. The bot did not ask for the near amount to request because the bounty mentioned that there should be a fixed amount, and I have fixed it to 1 near for now. You can see the title, the category, and the link of contribution. The proposal number is 17. Let's try to get this proposal in the bot because we have a command for that too. Get proposal. Let's say 17, and we can see we have that proposal. This way we can create proposals to Near Week Sputnik DAO. Now this was not the actual Near Week Sputnik DAO. I fired up a Sputnik DAO on testnet. Now let's try to use this bot for Mintbase to create a minters only Mintbase group. As you can see, this command is only applicable in a group chat, and for this reason I have already created a group and I have already added NearWeek bot with the admin permission. useNear bot with the admin permission. Okay, what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna try setting up Mintbase group. I'm gonna type the Mintbase. Okay, before setting up the Mintbase group, let's go to the Mintbase Store and see which store I am going to set up the group for. As you can see, this is the store address, and this is one of the items that have been minted on the store. Now this is not the same item that I minted before. This is just a placeholder item for now to show you the demonstration. This was created on Mintbase. Now let's set up this. Also, let me show you. If we go to view, we only have one minter. This minter is the address account ID which I am currently using with the Telegram bot. So let's try to set up the store, and the store is now set up. Now let's try to get minters of this store. As you can see, there is only one minter, and we can also see the Telegram ID of that minter. Now let's try to get the mints that have been made on the store. As you can see, there was one item that was minted on the store. We can view it on Mintbase. Now let's try joining this group from a non-minter account. I'm going to switch my account, go to the group, and I'm going to try to join this group now. As you can see, I have been kicked out of this group. The reason for being kicked out of this group is that I am connected to the Telegram bot with an account which was not the part of the Mintbase store. It is not a minter on the Mintbase store. Now let's try to switch the accounts back and see what happened. As you can see, this username is not a minter at this particular store, and hence it has been kicked. Now let's switch accounts and try to set up a group. Here we have the same bot here with admin permissions, but this time the account is different. Now I'm going to try to set up the same store. Let's see if we can set up the same store. As you can see, I cannot set up this group with this Mintbase store because I'm not a minter of that store. So that was it for the demo. Now let's jump back to the slides. Okay, let's see what the future scope of this project is. Future possibilities: we have pairs. We can mint pairs NFTs directly from Telegram. We can definitely transfer them and also probably list them and get notifications regarding sales. For refinance, we can create farms, we can swap tokens, claim rewards, get farm infos, and lot of more things. We can have NEP 141 payments as well. Sputnik DAO. So currently these commands are not supported, but we can have adding members to the Sputnik DAO, voting on proposals, rejecting proposals, acting on proposals, make bounty proposals and all other different types of proposals, execute bounty payouts, and a lot more. We can currently mint base, there's no mint base command to mint NFT from the bot itself, and there is no NFT, there's no command for listing the NFT for sale from the bot, but it can be done. And there can be a lot of more integrations to the bot. Any protocol that comes on the near chain will be integratable to the bot. What is the future goal? There are two pathways. Either we can have just one bot and let others make integrations and make the project open source, or we can have an npm library which lets everyone create their own bot and have all the features that they wish to have. Thank you.